In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix invalid request parameters or invalid problem connecting Instagram to TikTok. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and update both apps, TikTok and of course Instagram, right? Secondly, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear the app's cache, right? So you're gonna go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings. In the settings, move to the general, iPhone storage, and you're gonna pin down Instagram and TikTok, right? And what you're gonna do individually, you're gonna upload the app and reinstall it once again. And by double clicking upload the app and reinstalling it once again, you're gonna be able to release some of the unnecessary information or maybe too much files or data inside the app, right? Next, what you're gonna do, check internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can sometimes lead to this error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or connecting to a different network, right? Next, what you're gonna do, restart your device. A simple restart of your phone can often resolve temporary glitches. Lastly, what you're gonna do, reinstall the apps. Go again to the app iPhone storage, and then Instagram, and hit delete app, and the same goes for TikTok. Go ahead and hit delete app and double click to confirm that you want to delete, of course, the app, and reinstall once again from your App Store or Google Play. That should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.